Hey guys, it's Carolina, nurse educator. Going to talk about a few tips on how to study for your nursing certification exam. So I'm going to review about 6 tips on how to study. I've used them all in the exams that I've taken. My NCLEX being the first one, then my RNC for neonatal ICU, then my IBCLC, my NPD, which is Nurse Professional Development for educators, and my Nurse Executive. With all that hard work and studying, I was able to take the test only one time. I did not have to retake it, so it definitely helps, and I hope it helps you too. Step 1. First, you need to find what certification applies to your specialty. So I did neonatal ICU, so I did the RNC, maybe it's med-surg, maybe it's postpartum. Whatever it is, you need to look up that certification and find out what requirements are needed for it. Some of them will need you to be in practice for 2 years in that specialty before you can actually sit for the exam. So definitely look it up and look at the requirements. Okay, second step, buy the books that will help you study for your exam. So I typically recommend like a book that's covering the subject. So for neonatal ICU, I got the core curriculum for that specialty. And then I also got an exam book. So the exam book is going to have all questions related to that specific exam. It's going to be able to give you rationale if you get the wrong answer in the back. So definitely buy those before you sign up. So the third thing you want to do is create a calendar. A calendar I recommend for at least 3 months. You also want to look up your test outline. The reason why is because your outline is going to tell you what percentage is covered per subject. So for example, pathophysiology, maybe it's covered about 40% of that exam. So you want to make sure that you give yourself enough time on your calendar to review, to study, and to do the test questions. The fourth step is to check to see how much it's going to cost. On average is about $300 or more. I would say the RNC one was $325. And then the other thing to look at is, will my employer reimburse me or will they pay up front? A lot of employers do look for you to have a certification, so definitely look into that before you make that payment. The fifth step is to sign up for that test. I know it's scary, but you can do it. The other thing about signing up for the test, it kind of forces you to go ahead and start studying because for the most part, they're going to give you a 3-month window for you to take that exam. So definitely make that step so that way you can start pushing yourself to study. Step number 6 is to actually study. So you want to make sure that you review all your subjects, that you go through your questions and answers, look at the rationale, even go again through your questions and answers, and get in that mindset of how the questions are going to be asked. What answers are they looking for? So that way you're fully prepared to taking that exam. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you. Let me know if you have other tips on how to study for nursing certification exams. Look out for more videos as far as how to grow in the nursing profession. See you next time.